Hey y'all, finna show y'all how to do some candy yams. And I'm doing a ham with it. What else I'm doing? Some rice dressing. But alright, lemonade. Enough of me. Enough of me. Look, this is how I'm starting off. I got my sweet potatoes cut up. Y'all see they cut up in the pot? Alright, got them cut up in the pot. I'm gonna show y'all what go in them in a few minutes. Yum yum. Right, y'all, in my sweet potatoes, I put 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, a half a cup of sugar, a stick of butter, about a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and about a half a cup of water. Now I'm about to put this on medium high and let it cook down. And that be my candied yams. Alright, be right back. Alright, y'all, look at that. It's been about 10 minutes. And look at them balling, baby. They are cooking. They are cooking. All right. Let them get tender and cook down. All right, y'all. There you go. We let them cook down for about 35 minutes. And there go my candy yams. They good, tender, soft, and flavorful. Now see that? See? Simple. It's all about the flavor, baby. All right. There we go.